Present progressive. In the affirmative, we use the subject, the verb to be, and the verb in the ing form. For example, I'm playing, you're playing, and he's playing. In the negative, we use the same plus not. I'm not playing, you aren't playing, he isn't playing. And for the questions, we use the verb to be at the beginning of the question if they are yes or no questions. For example, am I playing? Are you playing? Is he playing? And for the short answers are going to be the same using the verb to be. Yes, I am. Yes, you are. Yes, he is. Or no, I'm not. No, you aren't. Or no, he isn't. For the negative, we are going to use for I the contraction am not plus the verb in the ing form or the full form I am not plus the verb in the ing form. For you, we, and they, we're going to use aren't or are not plus the verb in the ing form. For example, they are not working today or they aren't working today. For he, she, and he, we're going to use isn't or is not plus the verb in the ing form. For example, he isn't working today. In the interrogative, we're going to use for I, am, at the beginning, plus I, plus the verb in the ing form. For you, we, and they, we're going to use the verb to be at the beginning in the conjugation are plus the verb in the ing form. For example, are you using the phone now? And for the short answer, yes, I am, or no, I'm not. And for he, she, and it, we're going to use is. So is would be at the beginning, then he, she, or it plus the verb in the ing form. For example, is he doing exercise? Yes, he is, or no, he isn't. In the affirmative, we are going to have for I, the verb to be, am, plus the verb in the ing form. For you, we, and they, we're going to have are plus the verb in the ing form. For example, I'm working here. And for he, she, and it, we're going to use is plus the verb in the ing form. He's working here. For the spelling, most verbs we only need to add the ing form to the base form of the main verb to form the present participle. For example, tell, telling, cash, cashing, stay, staying, etc. With verbs ending in e, we drop the e and we add the ing form. For example, write, writing, live, living. And for verbs ending in a vowel plus a consonant, we double the consonant and we add the ing form. For example, hit, hidden, caught, cotton. But when we have long verbs in American English, we don't double the last consonant. So travel, traveling. And with verbs ending in IE, we change the IE to Y and then we add the ing form. For example, die, dying. We use the present progressive for actions happening now, at the moment of speaking. For example, she's talking on the phone now. For actions happening around the time of speaking, or for temporary actions, that is, actions that are going on around now, but not at the actual moment of speaking. For example, Peter is staying at his friend's these days. We also use it for fixed arrangement in the near future, especially when we know the time and place. For example, I'm flying to Paris tomorrow. And we always constantly and continually when we want to express annoyance. For example, you're always watching TV. Some time expressions that we use with the present progressives are now, right now, at the moment, at present, tonight, these days, tomorrow, next week, next month. seal, etc.